Our success story this week takes us for a ride along the railroad tracks near Jacksonville, Florida, where an alternative fuel is saving money and helping to keep the trains running on time. Liquefied natural gas is powering Florida East Coast Railway trains traveling to and from Miami. This alt fuel is replacing about 80% of the train's diesel fuel. Working with the North Florida Clean Fuels Coalition, the railway is the first in North America to operate its entire freight train fleet on LNG.
Generally speaking, it reduces our carbon output by 25% or more. It reduces our sulfur output by 40% or more.
Florida East Coast Railway expects LNG to eventually reduce operating costs by $2 million a year. Switching to alt fuels continues the forward-thinking legacy of railroad founder Henry Flagler, while preserving Florida's sunny skies.